The trickle charge function can be performed using the Electric Vehicle Supply Equipment, EVSE, or an SAEJ 1772 compliant cord set to connect the vehicle to a dedicated AC 110 to 120 volt, 15 amp dedicated outlet. Charging time may vary depending on your vehicle. The charge port for trickle charging is located on the driver's side of the vehicle. To begin trickle charging, ensure that the vehicle is in park, apply the parking brake, and place the power switch in the off position. Open the charge port lid, remove the EVSE from the bag in the cargo area, select the appropriate plug adapter, and connect it to the control box. Make sure to turn the adapter clockwise to lock it in place. Then connect the plug to an available dedicated 110 to 120 volt 15 amp electrical outlet. The green light on the EVSE will illuminate. Open the charge port cap on the vehicle and remove the safety cap from the charge connector, then plug the charge connector into the charge port on the vehicle. When it is properly connected, a beep will sound once. If charging has started, or if the battery is waiting for a preset charging timer, a beep will sound twice, and the charging status indicator light will operate. Once charging is complete, unlock the vehicle and press the button on the charge port. Then release the lock and remove the charge connector from the port. Attach the safety cap to the EVSE and unplug the unit from the dedicated outlet. To remove the plug from the control box, turn it counterclockwise and then pull. Store the EVSE in its case and return it to the cargo area. Finally, close the cap on the charge port on your vehicle and close the charge port lid. Trickle charging can be used with the immediate charge, remote charge, and charge timer functions. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.